Hi, this is the Micro Modder, and I just wanted to show you my Losi Micro Desert Truck. As you can see, I painted it black, and I put also have an X-Mods Hummer right there. I took some of the stock decals like the flames and put them on here, as you can see, and I also put the truckin' logo from the body kit. This is, hold on, give me a minute, take the clips off. Okay, this is almost stock, except I put a crystal in it so I could use my Traxxas Slash's transmitter as my Traxxas Slash. I put the atomic motor, the BB motor with dual ball bearings, and I also put stiffer shocks. I don't think you can see them, but there's blue there, so it doesn't bottom out as much and it's stiffer. There's the body with the flames, and yeah, give me another minute here and I'll turn it on. Show you just the batteries. See, here's the Traxxas transmitter. Just flip the and just gonna set it up against here. I don't know. Yeah, I'll just hold on, let me put the tripod on. Okay, here's the it turns really well. I don't know. Those of you who have these, you know they turn on a dime. And yeah, I'll make a running video here soon, but if I were you, I would, and if you're considering getting a Losi Micro, my stepdad also has the high roller. The high roller, it's as fast as this is with the Micro BB motor, but I'm not sure if that's just because it has a bigger battery or what, but I mean, it takes 3 hours to charge the high roller with the stock battery, and you get like 20 minutes of runtime. This only takes like 12 minutes to charge, and I get about 9 minutes. So if you're looking to get a Losi Micro, this is the one to get, because I bought an extra stock battery. That way you can, while you're charging it, you can run one. The only thing is, to take it off, you have to unscrew these 2 screws, and you have to buy a screwdriver. It doesn't come with them. So, alright, well, thanks for watching. I'll post more videos. Bye.